Whenever a patient visit our clinic, the most common question the patient asks is कि अगर हमें दर्द है तो क्या रूट कैनाल कराना पड़ेगा? But every tooth does not require a root canal. Root canal is needed or it can be cured with a filling depends upon how much deep is the decay. I will give you the brief between the difference that when a filling is required and when a root canal is required. Let's understand that why tooth pain happens. Our teeth is divided into three layers, starting from the outermost layer, that is the enamel, which is the hardest substance of our teeth. After that is the dentine, and after that comes the pulp. The pulp is the area which connects the tooth with the nerves. If the infection have reached the nerve, then only the pain started. Let's understand that when a filling is required. When the cavity is small or only the dentine part is affected, then we can do the filling. What are the things that we suffer or experience when we know that we will get the filling done? If you have a sensation to cold food or to the sweets, and it depends at how long is the sensation after the stimuli has been removed. If the stimuli is removed and the sensation withdraws only after few seconds, it means the tooth can be cured with the simple filling. Now let's understand that when a root canal treatment is required, when the decay had progressed deeper and the nerves are infected, then the root canal treatment is required. What you generally experience in the tooth when there's an indication for root canal treatment is there is severe pain on the hot stimulus. Even when the hot food is removed, you will experience the pain. When you lie down, the pain increases. There is swelling around the tooth, and sometimes the swelling also becomes external. How can you differentiate between that this is the pain of the filling or this is the pain for the root canal treatment? If there is severe pain and even after the removal of stimulus you have the continuous pain, it means your teeth would be requiring a root canal treatment. Myself Dr. Bhavya. You can visit us at Pitampura Dental Clinic to know about your teeth. You can also leave your queries in the comment section to know about your oral health.